एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग रियली गुड टुडे। और जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं, मेरे बाल कितने ज़्यादा वेवी और फ्रिजी है और इनको मैनेज करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है। आप वीडियोस में देखते ही होंगे कि क्या हालत हो जाती है मेरे बालों की। आई हैव फाउंड अ ग्रेट सोल्यूशन फॉर माई हेयर. It's a true frizz killer, and this new hair serum is magic. It has worked wonders on my hair. I've been using that for last 2 to 3 weeks, and the way I can manage my hair before going out or going to any shoots is amazing. So this product is basically from L'Oreal Paris, which is the Extraordinary Oil. This is useful for all kind of hair types. It can help for curly hair, frizzy hair, any hair treatment, and also for the chemically treated hair. बहुत बार हम लोग कलर या केराटिन वगैरह कुछ करते हैं बालों को, जिससे उसका शाइन एंड उसका लुक बहुत टेक्सचर बहुत ख़राब हो जाता है, एंड इट रियली बिकम्स वेरी बैड और बहुत ख़राब दिखता है वो. सो दिस सीरम इज़ बेसिकली वेरी यूजफुल इन ऑल सच केसेस. ऑल्सो इफ यू आर इनटू लॉट ऑफ हेयर स्टाइलिंग एंड स्टफ, देन दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get to the video. Yay! So I'm very excited to tell you about my hair care game that has changed all complete hair care of mine. This is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Hair Oil Serum, and all the international influencers have been showing a lot of love towards the product, but in India it has been launched very recently and I loved it, so I thought to share it with all of you. Although it's an oil, it's super light in weight, and I'll just show you. Yes, so very non-sticky. Also, because of the pump over here, it's super easy to apply on the hair, as we can take it very easily and just put it around your hair. This serum is made from 6 flowers. These are lotus, flax, sunflower, rose, tiar and chamomile, and that's why it makes your hair really manageable and smooth. तो जैसा कि आप सब लोग मेरे वीडियोस में देखते हो, मेरे हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीजी एंड वेवी है, एंड आई हैव डन सम ट्रीटमेंट्स बिफोर लाइक केराटिन एंड स्मूथनिंग, because of which it has been damaged terribly now. I was looking for some options of hair serums, hair masks, and this is the one that I have got. At times the hair looks very dry, बहुत ज़्यादा dry दिखते हैं मेरे बाल, and for that I've started using this serum, and I've been using this daily for past few days. So usually my hair is like this, very tangled and frizzy, and I just use 2 to 3 drops of it and put all over my hair. Make sure you do not apply it on the roots and just the ends and the middle part of the hair. I'm using it every day, and after every hair wash, it passed 2 to 3 weeks, and it is working like amazing on my hair. So if you will notice, the frizziness is quite reduced. The hair becomes really manageable and sets properly the way I want. Else it's really very difficult to manage my hair and set it the way I want it every day. So after every hair wash, I am now using this serum, because after hair wash तो बहुत ज़्यादा tangled and frizzy हो जाते हैं बाल, and that time this is really very important for detangling, and after that the hair feels really very smooth and healthy and frizz free. I really love the way it looks after that. So I have introduced it in my daily routine. Like past few days I am using it daily before going out. There are a lot of ways that you can use it. You can use it for frizziness, you can use it for dry hair, you can use it for putting it before shampooing your hair, you can use it as your night routine, hair care routine for night before sleeping. You can just put some of the oil serum and then go off to sleep. You can also use it while styling. It helps to detangle your hair. You can use it before curling or straightening. Put the serum on and then do the curling because of the heat control capacity that it has got hair, and it works for all the seasons, anytime. It's really amazing. So you can also use it as a treatment of a hair spa. You can use it as an overnight mask. So this product has become a part of my hair care routine by now, and the product claims to reduce the damage from sunlight up to 43%, and it helps to smoothen your hair up to 87%, and also helps to prevent your hair from heat damage up to 230 degrees Celsius and up to 98% of less hair fall. So these are all the amazing factors about this product. By the way, if you are someone having curls, then let me tell you one thing: this product has been loved by all the influencers with curls, and also by those having chemically treated hair or straightened hair, because it helps to maintain the vitality and the healthy look of your hair. So yes, I would definitely recommend this product to all of you, and the price of the product is 499 rupees. And if you are willing to buy this product, आपको अगर ये खरीदना हो, then I have added the link in the description. Go and check out the link in the description. And if you're having any such hair problems, then you can definitely try this product out. That's it for today. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my page on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting. Keep supporting. Lots of love. Bye.